Hey guys, today we have a 2023 Hyundai Kona all electric. The Hyundai Kona Electric is a compact SUV offering a 250-mile range per charge, a 201 horsepower electric motor, and features a modern interior with advanced tech. It's known for its efficient performance and eco-friendly footprint. Today we're going to test it out, drive it during the day and at night in POV mode, tell you my honest opinion, and give it a rating. Let's get started. This beautiful running LED lights. The Hyundai Kona Electric typically uses a Type 2 charger for a regular charging, which is standard for electric vehicles in many regions, including Europe. For rapid charging, it's equipped with a CCS combined charging system port, allowing it to use DC fast chargers. This particular vehicle is equipped with Nexen 215/55 R17 tires. Hyundai Kona models comes with alloy wheels, and the size can vary, depends on the trim level. The Hyundai Kona Electric offers a cargo capacity of 19.2 cubic feet, with rear seats in the upfront position. When the rear seats are folded down, this space expands to approximately 45.8 cubic feet, providing a considerable amount of room for luggage, grocery, or whatever. The back seats have enough room for an average person. Like many vehicles in its class, the rear seating area might be snug for taller adults, especially on longer trips. There aren't many features in the back, but you do have a USB fast charger. The Kona Electric is powered by 201 horsepower, 151 kilowatt electric motor. It delivers an instant torque of 291 pound-per-feet, which contributes to its brisk acceleration. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7.6 seconds, a respectable time for its class. The Kona Electric uses a lithium-ion Palomar battery. The battery has a capacity of 64 kilowatt range. On a full charge, it offers an EPA estimate range of 258 miles. Alright, let's get this torted. So it took me about 35 minutes to get it to about 90 miles. So that was 15 bucks. So I'm rethinking again. It's really fuel. Is really electricity cheaper than fuel? I don't know. I got 90 miles for $15. So I think gas is probably cheaper. But let's go on a ride. So right now I'm driving on Echo. Let's put it on Sport and see how well it does. So let's go to drive mode, Sport. Woo! Listen to torque, baby. I do love this 8-inch entertainment screen. You know, it shows a lot of details, and what's so cool about it is you can split it, so it can show you your battery, where the next charging station is, and over here you can basically just change to different stuff. I love the blue lights. You know, I think blue lights look really nice inside a car. Let's put it in sport, see how it's gonna do in the highway. Let's see if oh, that guy in front of me almost hit those cones, dude. Not paying attention, bro. So, my straightforward take on this car is that it's suitable for some, but not all. It really boils down to your driving habits. Personally, I find myself on the road quite often, so this car doesn't seem like an everyday fit for me. While its range is decent, there are other cars on the market offering longer distance. When it comes to charging, it takes about 40 minutes to an hour on a DC fast charging. For me, waiting that long isn't ideal. Plus, I believe DC charging can be pricier compared to a traditional fuel. On a scale from 1 to 10, I would give this a 4.5. Thank you for watching. See you soon.